Molly the mixologist from Total Wine, here today in this video. I want to talk to you about what cocktails to put in what glasses. You might think it doesn't really make a difference, but it can actually really enhance your cocktail drinking experience. So let's go through the lineup. All right, so first we're going to start with glasses that you probably already have in your house, most likely. A highball glass and an old-fashioned or double old-fashioned glass. Your highball glass is, tall and thin. Very commonly, these are going to be used for simple, like 2-ingredient drinks. A lot of times they're effervescent, and this format actually helps the bubbles continue to form and spin, which makes it really nice and fluffy and fuzzy. And it has room for ice and your, mixer and your base spirit. And then on your old-fashioned side, this is a cocktail glass that is great because it can fit one single large ice cube and a spirit-forward cocktail, like an old-fashioned, shockingly, or a Negroni or something of that nature. Or you can do something that is served on the rocks but doesn't have as much volume as something has as effervescent ingredient added, like a margarita or a whiskey sour or something of that nature. Okay, so we have a couple more that you probably have hanging around your house. We have our flute and our wine glass. Now, you might have multiple wine glasses if you're really fancy, but starting with our flute, this is really great, like we were saying about the highball, in that it encourages the formation of bubbles. So this is fantastic for cocktails like a French 75 or a champagne cocktail that are going to encourage that continued proliferation of bubbles. So we want to keep that as effervescent as possible. And then on the wine glass side, this is going to be something I kind of like to have as a backup, but also if you're really into that spritz movement, these will show off that beautiful vibrant color that we're looking at when we're doing maybe a passion fruit spritz or an Aperol spritz. And it's also great for more volume because this has a bit of a smaller volume capacity, and that's going to give you a little bit more leeway for your spritzing needs. And it doesn't hurt that it helps to keep the cocktail chilled because there's a stem, and we don't want our, wine cocktails or whatever cocktails to get warm. All right, so next we have a couple that you might have in your home, but if not, you've definitely seen them out in the wild. We've got our Martini glass and our Coupe glass. Now, both of these are also stemmed, so we have that same situation where you're keeping your warm hand away from the contents of the glass, which is extra important because these are almost exclusively used for drinks that are served up, which means no ice. So you want to make sure that you're not getting it too hot and, gross. But the other thing on the Martini glass side, you have a little bit more volume, and it's great for rimming, really great for kind of those traditional old school classic cocktails, everything from like a Cosmo to an espresso martini, across the board. Now, me personally, I prefer a coupe. It might be slightly smaller volume, but you're a lot less likely to spill it. I don't know if anybody's held a martini glass, but it can slosh a little bit. If you're straining into it, it'll maybe do this fun little V thing where it just pops out the side for anybody who's ever bartended. So I prefer this guy, and they are pretty interchangeable. You've seen a lot of these probably at restaurants and bars now, but either way, your cocktail's served up, no ice, and you don't want to get them warm. All right, and finally, we're going to talk about a couple here that maybe you don't have at home. They're a little less common. Again, though, you probably have seen them in the wild. We've got our margarita glass, quote unquote. Now, I personally prefer a classic margarita on the rocks in an old-fashioned glass. But if we're doing a frozen margarita, you really need this guy because, again, you want to keep your hand away from the contents in the glass, and you need more volume because those have higher liquid proportions because of all the, delicious ice and lime and tequila in there. And then we've got our extra fun one, the hurricane glass. Now, this is great for really any frozen drink because you have even more volume. It's really fun. You can see layering in there. So if you do like a layered cocktail, you can see all those colors line up together, and you're still keeping your hand away from the frozen ingredients inside. So your strawberry frozen daiquiri, your frozen margarita, your pina colada, and of course your hurricane. So lots of great options here if you really want to step up your game. All right, everybody, so there you have it, a lineup of some of the most popular cocktail glasses and where to use them. If you have questions about anything we didn't cover today, drop a question below. And if you want to look for some great recipes that can fill these glasses and more, check out our Instagram.